Hello everyone, welcome to Aptitude Made Easy channel. In the previous video, we have seen how to find square root of perfect squares. Now we will see how to find square root of imperfect squares. Imperfect square is a number which does not have the exact square root. Example 3, 7, 653. These numbers does not have the exact square root. Now I will tell you the shortcut trick for finding the square root of imperfect square. By this trick we get only approximate value, not exact value. Suppose if we want to find square root of 3, we can write 3 as 4 minus 1. Square root of 4 is 2 minus, write 1 divided by double this number 4. 2 minus 0.25. It will become 1.75. This is approximate value, not exact value. Root 13. We can write 13 as 16 minus 3. Square root of 16 is 4 minus 3 by double this number 8. 3 0.0 3 24 6 0 7 56. 4 minus 0.37, this will become 3.63. This is approximate value of root 13, not the exact value. Now we will see how to find the exact square root of imperfect square. Square root of 700. We have to find square root of the 700. We use long division method. This to one group, this one group. Divide this number. 2 into 2, 4. 3. Bring down the second group. 4. 45 into 5. 5 into 5. 25. 5 into 4. 22. We'll take 6. 46 into 6. 6 into 6. 36. 6 into 4. 24. 3. 27. 24. Double this number. 52. Now 24 is not divisible by 52. What we have to do is 24 divided by 52. 0.04 210 0 52 into 5 260 40. We have to add this value to this number, that becomes 26.45 is the exact square root of 700. That means we can solve square root of any imperfect square using long division method. Let's solve one more example. Divide this. 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 2, 56, 4, 45 into 5, 225, 200. It become 31, 50. 31 is not divisible by 50. We will write 31, 50. 0.0, 50 into 6, 300, 100, 50 into 2, 100. That means square root of 656 is 25 plus 0.62. That will become 25.62. With this method we can solve square root of any imperfect square. Next we will see how to calculate the square root of decimal numbers. calculating the square root of decimal numbers. In decimal numbers, if there are odd number of digits after decimal place, we make it even by keeping 0. Here number of digits is 4, it is even, so there is no need of keeping zeros. Here after decimal point there is only one digit, that is even number of digits. Therefore we keep it 0 and make it even. Now we will solve this by using long division method. One group. 2 into 2, 4, 1, 3, 8, 2 into 2, 4, 43 into 3, 129, 9, 7, 0, 23 into 2, 46, 462 into 2, 924, 46, 41, 232 into 2, that will come 464, 4641 into 1, 4641. This will become 23 to 1. Now after decimal point there are 4 digits. After calculating square root it will become 2. That means after decimal point there will be 2 digits. Our answer is 23.21. Thanks for watching. If you have liked this video, please subscribe and share.